Hello everyone, we are starting our PI planning simulation once again. Last time we did it October 2023, where we have kind of 40-50 members participated, and there was a 2 days event that we have conducted. Now everyone is thinking about what is this PI planning simulation is all about. As of now, you understand SAFE is every organizations or some portion of the organizations, they are using the SAFE framework, and many times when you attend some training, there is a 1 hour of exercise of PI planning simulation, where you have understood that PI planning simulation is actually of full 2 days of activities. Now when you try to apply those, you may feel somewhere there is a gap of understanding. So this PI planning simulation is designed in such a way, it will resolve that gap that you have. So there are a group of consultant or SPCs or the coach or the real RTs, the architects combinedly work together to build a hypothetical realistic scenarios where you will be having list of where you will be having a real vision statement from the business owner, a real architecture visions or program visions, the real features, kind of a product that you will be building. So this 2 days event, which is scheduled right now on 15th and 16th of June, where there will be multiple coaches will be there to guide you, and you will be experiencing a real life PI planning. So what is real life PI planning? 2 days. Every activity starting from the vision statement, breakout session, management review, second breakout session, your risk board. We will be using a Jira. We will be using Miro board for virtual collaborations. So wherever you are, whether in whatever the time zones, you may find out, okay, this will be happening somewhere around EST time zone, morning 7 a.m.ish. It will be starting for 8 hours, and the next day we are trying to accommodate most of the time zones. So this will be give you a real life experience and also a networking opportunity where you can connect with many peoples. And these sessions will also be recorded. In sometimes that this is though in a weekend, you may have something already planned or something unavoidable you need to take care of, and sometime you want to move out from those live sessions, you will still get the recording and understand it. If you are watching it in this particular website where we are taking the enrollment, at the bottom we have the feedback of the last simulations that we have conducted, which was October 2023. We will again do once again maybe in November. So this is once or 2 times we do in every year, because it needs lots of collaborations and coordinations between multiple coaches, their availabilities. So this is a golden opportunities. If anyone, if you are looking for getting some hands-on experience, you can pick the role that you want to perform during this. You can become a Scrum Master, you can become a PO. There though is a process of going for that, and it's not only those 2 days. If you are a Scrum Master, if you are a product owner, you will be groomed 1 week or 2 weeks before about what are the top 10 features, what are those stories comes under those features, how we will be using Jira, and you will get to know everything, so that when you hit the ground on the sprint simulation day, you will just be focusing on executing that PI planning. So if you think this is something you may be interested in or you are looking for, just hit the enrollment button below. There is a pricing though. Look into what's the pricing as of today when you are watching the video, and we will see you on the day of PI planning. And if you opted for PO or Scrum Master's role that you think you will be going for, then definitely we will be connecting 2 weeks before, and for a continuous 2 weeks we'll be having an engagement. So I believe this information is sufficient enough for you to understand what is PI planning will be, or what will be this PI planning. So feel free to reach me over wherever you are watching this video if you have any queries, and we'll see you in our PI planning simulations. Till that time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.